So hi, good morning everyone. This is Vikas Mathur from the Digital Partnership and New Initiatives team. So I basically take care of all the digital partnerships for the company. In the corporate world, you have lots of things going on. So it's never been the same. The every day has its different challenges. But I think some of it we are now able to handle with that sessions what we had a couple of months back. So I think that way.
So myself, Dhaval Shah, I am working with Future General Insurance as an area head for Mumbai for health vertical.
Great. So, Dhaval, it has been now 4 months since we did our workshops. So, what change do you see in your mental health? Are you calmer, more at peace now than earlier?
See, I can elaborate in such a way, Amit, that I don't keep now backlog of current day to next day. So if my day is not good due to XYZ situation, so I'm making it a point that will not affect my next day. So when next day morning I'm getting up, I'm getting up with fresh energy, with fresh enthusiasm, with fresh ideas. So that if I'm waking up without any backlogs, it is definitely a better start of the day for me. Before our workshop, so before going to sleep, I was having a habit of watching any web series. So after this workshop, now before going to sleep, I get myself into reading rather than watching web series. So I have observed that my quality of sleep is much better because of the reading habit rather than watching web series habit. So in weekends, I make it a point to read some good book and to travel on some weekend destinations.
Very
So
nice.
I'm trying to implement it on regular weekends.
Could you introduce yourself, Shweta, first?
Yeah. I have been with Universal Sompo. It's been more than 4 years. I was part of the banker team. I was heading the Allahabad Bank portfolio in the banker department. Now I've been transferred to Delhi. So in the government solution groups. So now I take care of the government solution business. I have attended all your sessions which we had in the summers. That time I really took some inspiration. I started at least walking. I started doing so. If not 1 hour, 45 minutes, I try to do that. So that is one thing which you inculcated in me. So that is something good.
So, myself, Aditya Chadwal, I joined this organization on 11th of September. And I work as an agency for North and East India. So, the entire sessions have been very positive, and the main area of improvement which I have seen in myself which currently is also there, that is basically on walk or exercise early morning. So that is very necessary. I did it. Yeah, absolutely. There is a change that, we know that there is a pressure, but we don't panic. So we have to keep ourselves cool-minded, cool-headed, and take decisions. These workshops are helpful. There is no doubt about
it. So this is Dr. Prayank. I've been associated with this organization now more than 10 years, and in the current profile, it's a digital partnership and new initiative. There is a currently shift of my profile into a new department, which is purely a digital partnership and new initiative. So generally, you see that there is a lot of apprehension when somebody is put into a new department or something like that. But what I have encountered is that the apprehension level in this shift was very minimal. So it was not so no pain, no anxiety, you can say, when there was a shift into this new department or I used to feel more confident on my whatever my learnings or my academics because this workshop has given a new angle to the way you think towards the challenges coming day and day in your life, not only in professional, even in your personal life. Maybe it family problems, maybe the financial, monetary, maybe the professional work life, and peers handling and peer reviews and meeting new clients and how you what should be your approach. But yes, my approach towards handling the problems become more positive and more of a proactive approach, you can say, rather than a reactive approach.
Myself is Vivek Gambhir. So earlier, as the company was working, like there was a zonal structure, so I was working as a zonal head. Now the verticalization has been happened, so I'm taking care of OEM vertical. That is basically for dealer channel and the broking channel. So I'm taking care of entire MP. Morning habit जो है सुबह उठने का, that has improved a lot. I mean, earlier I used to wake up at around 7:30 or 8. Now it has improved, and now I wake up at around 6 or 5:30. So it has improved a lot. Earlier, what the thing was that I used to take the things. I mean, reaction was quick. Now the reaction is still. I mean, don't react so fast. So that is what I have felt myself in the corrective point of view. No, I feel fresh in the morning.
So then it's fine. See, how it works is, as we start, have you started exercising or doing some?
Yeah, I go for the morning walk.
Very nice. And you were not doing it earlier, or you were doing it earlier?
No, I was not doing it earlier.
I'm Birinder Singh Saluja. I'm with Universal Sompo for almost 6 years now. And I'm into agency now. I'm taking care of agency, Delhi, location, and Noida. Surely there is a big improvement out in handling adversity, which is of course a concern after attending so many sessions, which was really fruitful. I had seen good change in myself. Now I think so it would be easy for me to handle adverse situations, which I'm doing it. I'm actually practicing it every day. We are getting challenging situation every day, and I think so I'm now in a position to handle such kind of situation. Some firefighting situations comes up which you never thought of, which you were not prepared for. But I'm sure with such kind of scenario, now we are at least got such kind of hand holding or training from your side, which made us little more stable to attend to such kind of situations.
But now I am the part of the commercial vertical, only taking care of the commercial vertical. So last month I was a COVID positive, so I really get a very help meditations during this COVID period. How you calm down. So usually I used to do every morning and evening post COVID.
Actually, I am with Universal Sompo for the last years. I was taking care of Kerala region. Now I am in OEM channel taking care of Kerala and Karnataka. My sleep had some problems. I used to be a late sleeper. Now it has changed. By 10:30 every day I used to sleep, and the quality of sleep also has improved. I used to get deep sleep. Now in between it's gone. I used to wake up early. I mean in between nights and all. But now I got back the earlier type of the good sleep, where when you sleep you woke up in the morning. There is no break in between. So it feels really good, and exercise, regarding exercise, it's earlier. I mean, in the start it was like 2-3 days.
मेरा घर
Now
का
it has dropped down to only Sundays.
So thank you, Anis, for sparing your time. So if I could request you to first tell us about yourself.
I am a civil engineer, and after completing my civil engineering, I was campusly placed into Era Infra Engineering Limited. And thereafter, I had joined Shapoorji Pallonji, which is India's #1 construction company. And I was there for 5 years, and in this span of 5 years, we had done pretty good projects like Trillium Mall of Amritsar, Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, and Antara Max was Max. So it's like these are the few flagship projects that we have done. And after that, I started on my own. I started off my own in 2015, and as we all know that in 2015 only the slum started and everything for EY now. And yes, due to this all scenario, I was really in a bad shape here, and I had a few issues and few problems related to the work, and due to which were affecting my mental and physical health as well.
So what were the specific symptoms you were experiencing, Anil?
Basically, lack of sleep was one of them, and I was always irritated, and I was always like tensed, and it's like you're doing something and still you're not doing something. It's like that. You are always feeling some burden in your head, and you always feel like something heaviness in your head. So it was kind of that.
So how many hours were you able to sleep that time in a day?
3-4 hours basically, not more than that.
Okay. Then what was the technique you experienced?
So after meeting you, you helped me out by the technique that you told me about, and you cleared my mental blockages by the techniques utilized by you, by entering my subconscious mind and helping me getting released all those negative thoughts and all those things which were as a cluster for me, which were not letting me through, not letting me think clearly. But yes, I'm really thankful to you that you helped me out, and after that, I was really having a good sleep also, and I could take my decisions really good after meeting you and after the techniques and after the meditation techniques that you told me about.
So how long back that was that session which you took, Anil?
I guess we did that session in October 2019.
So now after a year or more than a year, so how are you feeling now?
Basically, whenever I am tense or something like that, and whenever I am having a lack of sleep, I still go back to the techniques that you told me about. I go and watch a Yoga Nidra session and start meditating, and after that I start cleansing myself. That was one thing that you told me. If you have some problem, you can always cleanse yourself with some salt and with a bucket of water, and that's it. So that is also one technique that you tell me, and it really helped me out. And whenever due to this techniques that you told me, I could simply be really positive during the pandemic as well, because it was a health situation for everybody else. But yes, I also was in quite a down side of the phase. But the thing is, the positivity that you shared with me and the friends which I have around me really helped me out in getting that.
Thank you so much, Anil. Thank you so much for sharing your
Thank
thoughts.
you. I'm really thankful. I'm really thankful to you for making a change in my life. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Arvind Thakur, looking after OM Channel as Area Manager, West Bengal Northeast and based out of Kolkata. After sessions of your when I joined, I have started one special meditation, Chitta Shakti meditation. That I am doing every day, and I've completed 4 levels, and I'm regularly practicing it in the morning, evening, before sleeping, which has given me a lot of mental strength and giving me thoughts that is positive. So especially this Chitta Shakti meditation, I was not knowing, but somehow I found it after your sessions that there are things which can improve not only mental health, physical health also. Breathing exercise. It is also, Chitta Shakti is also breathing exercise. So that has given me a lot of improvements, and I'm already a strong person. Now I'm a stronger person.
So earlier I used to look after the multiple channels, sir. Now, but after the verticalization, I have only look after the 2 channel only. So suddenly आपके पास थोड़ा अभी थोड़ा छोटा है व्यू करने के लिए, but I have attended all your sessions. So ये जो एक changes आया तो I am able to cope up immediately and start performing accordingly. और as such मुझे कोई complaint तो नहीं है, but yes थोड़ा बहुत improve कर पाया हूँ अपनी life में, जैसे every day I am not able to spend time with my children. So now at least half an hour after the office hours, I used to sit with them, chatting, playing. Even I have started जो मुझे कोई चीज पसंद है, on daily basis I am not spending 1 hour, but yes, Saturday, Sunday I like plantation and the gardening. So I have started that exercise also.
Very nice.
Even that, whenever I visit my government, I am dealing with the government people. We have some, corporate clients which are in the government. So on, very frequently, I need to visit the state government. So their strategy every day they're different what I have planned. But when I enter with the room, so I always remember you. I am entering with the either green or orange tablet. So it will be help me enhance the confidence level, the communication with the immediate their strategy. I am holding that and I'm able to try to what we plan or whatever that. Earlier I used to the black plane just go. Their strategy is different, altogether different. I am thinking X, they are coming with the Y. So I'm not able to discuss or give the success rate even for the mind. But whenever I entering the IAS or district collector cabin, I remember you and used to take green or the orange tablet, and I fight with them, and it's also reflect in our results as well. No doubt about that. So that's what I learned from the so far your sessions, sir.